The CBI 5400, also known as the CBI Magnum Force 5400T, is a highly versatile and powerful horizontal grinder designed for various forestry and land clearing applications, including stump grinding. Engineered for maximum output and efficiency, the CBI 5400 is particularly effective in biomass production, producing high-quality wood chips in the P100 specification, which is ideal for energy generation. This machine is equipped with a robust powertrain and an adaptable design that allows it to handle a wide range of materials, from tree stumps and logs to brush and other forms of wood waste. The CBI 5400 features a heavy-duty rotor, adjustable screens, and multiple grinding configurations, ensuring that it can meet the specific requirements of different biomass production processes. The grinder's innovative design also includes advanced control systems, which optimize performance and reduce fuel consumption, making it an eco-friendly option for large-scale biomass projects. With its ability to produce consistent and uniform wood chips, the CBI 5400 plays a crucial role in converting wood waste into renewable energy sources, contributing to sustainable forestry practices and helping meet the growing demand for biomass energy. Morbark's Demo Days represent a premier opportunity for customers and industry professionals to immerse themselves in the cutting-edge world of forestry and biomass equipment. This highly anticipated event not only showcases Morbark's robust dealer network, but also offers a unique chance for attendees to witness the latest innovations and interact with the experts behind the technology. One of the standout features of this year's Demo Days was the unveiling of the new 23X chipper-vester. Known for its long-standing legacy in producing mobile whole-tree disc chippers since the 1970s, Morbark has continued to push the envelope with the 23X model. The 23X builds upon the success of its predecessor, the Model 23 chipper-vester, featuring an impressive 75-inch, 190.5 centimeters diameter, and a 5-inch, 12.7 centimeters thick chipper disc. This substantial disc allows for efficient chipping of large wood volumes, while the built-in dirt separator with deflector ensures that the end product remains clean and free from contaminants. The Demo Days event was also significant, as it marked the first showcase following Morbark's acquisition of Rayco in November 2017. This integration provided attendees with a comprehensive view of Rayco's impressive lineup, including forestry mulchers and aerial trimmers. Visitors had the rare opportunity to experience these machines in action and even operate them, gaining hands-on experience with the latest technology in the field. In addition to the equipment demonstrations, the event featured engaging factory tours, offering a behind-the-scenes look at the manufacturing processes that underpin Morbark's high-quality products. Networking opportunities were abundant, with vendor booths providing a platform for attendees to connect with industry peers and experts. The event's culmination was marked by a dynamic live show that highlighted the capabilities of forestry, biomass, and recycling machinery, leaving attendees with a deeper appreciation for the advancements in these vital sectors. The Woodcracker L1200 from Westech stands out as the largest horizontal log splitter in its lineup. Designed to tackle the most demanding wood-splitting tasks with ease, boasting an impressive splitting force of 33 tons, the L1200 is engineered to handle even the largest and most challenging logs effortlessly. Its robust construction ensures reliability and durability, making it an ideal choice for professional users and serious wood enthusiasts. The Woodcracker L1200 features a high-performance hydraulic system that delivers consistent and powerful force, allowing it to split logs with precision and efficiency. The horizontal design of the splitter provides excellent stability and control, enhancing safety and reducing the physical strain on operators. With its large capacity and advanced engineering, the L1200 is capable of processing logs of substantial size, making it a versatile tool for both firewood preparation and large-scale wood processing. The Shredder XR3000 Mobile delivers exceptional performance with its high throughput and reliability. Designed for powerful shredding, this machine efficiently handles even the most challenging materials, making it ideal for processing old wood into particles less than 100 millimeters in size in a single pass. Its versatility allows it to adapt to various material flows, enhancing operational flexibility. The XR3000 Mobile is engineered for cost-effectiveness, thanks to the UNTHA Eco Power Drive, which reduces energy consumption. Maintenance is streamlined with its low-maintenance components, minimizing downtime and ensuring continuous operation. Additionally, its mobile design offers maximum flexibility, allowing it to be easily relocated on-site to meet different processing needs. The Vermeer TG5000 tub grinder is a powerful machine designed for efficient processing of organic and wood waste. Engineered to handle tough materials, it features a high-capacity 1,000 horsepower engine that drives its robust grinding system. The TG5000's large, open-ended tub facilitates easy loading and continuous feed, enhancing productivity on the job site. Its advanced hydraulic system ensures smooth operation and precise control, while the heavy-duty wear parts extend its lifespan and minimize downtime. Equipped with a sophisticated control panel, the TG5000 allows operators to adjust settings and monitor performance in real time, optimizing processing efficiency. Ideal for large-scale land clearing and recycling projects, the TG5000 is renowned for its durability and high throughput, making it a go-to choice for professionals in the waste management industry. The TigerCat 6900 grinder is a robust, heavy-duty horizontal grinder engineered for high production and efficiency in material processing. This upswing grinder features a pivoting track frame that allows for adjustable feed angles, enhancing its versatility and ease of operation. With a powerful engine offering up to 895 kilowatts, 1,200 horsepower optionally, or a standard 783 kilowatts, 1,050 horsepower, the 6900 delivers exceptional processing capacity, making it ideal for large-scale applications. Its design emphasizes maximum throughput and durability, ensuring reliable performance even in demanding environments. An optional large magnetic head pulley is available, which adds to its capability by facilitating effective separation of metal contaminants from the processed material. The TigerCat 6900 stands out for its combination of power, efficiency, and operational flexibility, making it a preferred choice for professionals in the material processing industry. The QTS Mega Chipper V2 is an advanced evolution of the original Mega Chipper, showcasing significant enhancements over its predecessor. This state-of-the-art machine, engineered by QTS, stands out with its fully automated rail-mounted design, which offers unparalleled efficiency and ease of use, capable of processing up to 150 cubic meters per hour. The Mega Chipper V2 excels in handling large volumes of material with precision and speed. Its impressive performance was demonstrated during testing at a specialized facility in Tuxford, where its cutting-edge technology and robust construction were evident. This updated version continues to push the boundaries of chipper technology, solidifying its position as a leader in the industry. The Morbark 3036's drum chipper is a powerful and reliable machine designed for demanding wood chipping applications. With a robust 540 horsepower engine, this chipper can effortlessly handle large volumes of wood, turning even the toughest material into finely processed chips. The precision-engineered drum and sharp blades ensure consistent, high-quality output, making it ideal for both commercial and industrial use. Watching the 3036s in action at a Morbark demonstration is awe-inspiring. The raw power of the engine roars to life as the massive drum spins, devouring logs and branches with a relentless hunger. There's a sense of efficiency and strength in its operation, as if the machine itself were alive, purposefully crafting each chip with precision. For anyone in the forestry or wood processing industry, the 3036's drum chipper isn't just a tool. It's a testament to engineering excellence, blending power and finesse in one formidable machine.